Sige po. So, why invest in Balanga City, Bataan? So, I would like to share po a quick video to answer the question of why invest in Balanga City, Bataan. Alright. So, for Verida Estate, we are located at Balanga City, Bataan. So, actually, it is an investment haven and it is a fourth-class component city and the capital of the province of Bataan. So, for Balanga City po, no, actually, for Bataan province itself, it is one of the most progressive provinces in Central Luzon because of the following po. Ayan, yung engines of growth natin, no? So, actually, ito po yung mga reason bakit nagiging maganda po or yung development natin within the province. First is the Hermosa Ecozone and Industrial Park. We also have the Subic Bay Freeport Zone, the Philippine National Oil Company, the Mount Samat Shrine of Valor, the Freeport area of Bataan, Department of Defense Arsenal, and the Bataan Technological Park, Inc. or the BTPI. In terms of transportation, actually, we are very accessible, no, via land. So, pwede po tayo mag-travel via land. So, marami kaming mga terminal hubs po dito within the Balanga City area, no? And by sea. So marami po tayong mga ports dito sa Bataan mismo. Ayan. And in terms of airport, we are just 1 hour away from the Clark International Airport. So our newest airport dito sa sa Pampanga. Actually si Clark International Airport ay tinataguri ang cleanest airport in the Philippines. And the Sangli International Airport, which is located in Cavite City, no? And actually, baka naririnig nyo na po ang Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge. Actually, second longest bridge in the Philippines. So actually, ito po ay mag-start this year, so 2024, and ang target completion po niyan is by 2029. So ang Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge po will connect Mariveles Bataan to Naik Cavite. So from original travel time natin na 4 to 5 hours, masya-shorten na lang po siya to 45 minutes. Ayan. And in terms of accessibility, so gaya ng sinabi ni Ms. Kate kanina, no, accessible po kami via SCTEX or the Subic-Clark Tarlac Expressway. So coming from Bataan, if pupunta ka ng Tarlac, Ayan, pwede nyo po siyang daanan, or Subic, ayan, Pangasinan. So pwede po nating daanan ang ECTEX. And we are accessible via Roman Superhighway. So meron din po tayong different ports in Bataan. So we have Port of Orion, Port of Lamao, and Port of Mariveles. And if familiar po kayo sa New Clark City in Capas, Tarlac, so diyan ginaganap po yung SEA Games natin, no? So we have also here in Bagak, Bataan, the Philippine Sports Training Center. And for Bataan, you can never run of things to see and to do at Bataan. So if familiar po kayo sa Bataan, known po kami sa historical sites or mga museum. Meron din po tayo ditong mga natural landscapes or mga mountain views po dito sa Bataan. Ayan. So isa-isahin ko lang po yung mga tourist destinations or yung mga tourist spots in Bataan. We have the Mount Samat Shrine of Valor, which is 19 minutes away lang po from Verida Estate. We also have the Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar, which is 38 minutes away. We also have the Tarap Trail Bridge, which is 43 minutes away from Verida. We also have the Five Fingers in Mariveles, which is 1 hour away from the project. And for the healthcare providers, we are just 5 to 15 minutes away from the different hospitals po. And for universities and colleges, so malapit po tayo sa mga biggest universities in Bataan. So we have the Bataan Peninsula State University. We have the Bataan Heroes Memorial, Bataan National High School, and the Tomas del Rosario. And for churches, we are just 10 to 12 minutes away lang po. Ayan. So welcome po to Verida Vista Estate Development in Balanga City, Bataan. So gaya na sinabi ko po kanina, no, we are located at Barangay Kupang proper, Balanga City, Bataan. So nakapwesto po tayo sa pinaka-heart of Bataan, which is si Balanga City. So Verida po, nanggaling po siya sa Spanish word of verde, meaning green, and vida, meaning life. Ayan. So this is just a quick video po of Verida Estate. So welcome to Verida by Vista Estates, spanning 200 hectares in the city of Balanga. Verida is a grand mixed-use development that is sustainable for the planet, innovative for prosperity, and future-forward for the people. So actually, for Bataan project or for Verida Estate, ang tawag po namin dito is the favorite township. Dahil dito po ang probinsya ni Sir Manny Villar. So, ang province po niya is sa Orani, Bataan. So as of now, 200 hectares po yung pinaka-development natin. Pero as of now, 50 hectares pa lang po doon ang develop. So marami pa tayong future development dito sa Bataan. Ayan. So this is the first premier eco estate development in Bataan. Actually, for Bataan po, Singaporean-inspired tayo. So Singapore is known for the cleanliness, ayan, safety, cleanliness, and the lush landscapes in Singapore. Ayan. So for Verida, we have 3 keynotes. which are the square. So ang composition po niyan is the Vista Mall and the horizontal or the Camellia Balanga, yung house and lot residential project po natin in Bataan. We also have the Garden Promenade, which consists of, ayan, ipakita ko na lang po yung development, no, para at least na-i-imagine natin. Ayan, so ito po yung future development natin for Verida. So for the first keynote, ito po siya, Vista Mall and Camellia Balanga. Next, for the Garden Promenade, we have the Verida Towers. We also have hotel and convention. And soon we will have the low-rise commercial center inside the Verida Estate. And lastly po is the Park District, which is Church Plaza, Green Pods, and the IT or BPO centers. So later on po, i-discuss ko sa inyo isa-isa po yung magiging development natin sa Verida. Ayan. So what should investors look forward? First is the business park and IT zones. So soon po, papasok po yung mga outsourcing companies natin dito sa estate development natin, no? So if familiar po kayo sa BGC, sa Taguig, ayan. So yan po yung tinitingnan namin for Verida Estate since papasok po yung mga outsourcing companies or mga IT zones po dito sa loob ng Verida Estate. Soon, we will also have our institutional complexes or the Church Plaza, commercial and retail districts. So as of now, we have the Vista Mall. So soon, magkakaroon pa po tayo ng mga additional commercial and retail districts inside the development. Leisure and wellness hubs, and of course, the residential communities or the Verida Towers. Ayan. So for the project details, so dun po sa 50 hectares development, 2 hectares po doon ang Verida Tower. So as of now, we are currently offering Tower 1, pero for Tower 1 po kasi almost sold out na tayo for Tower 1. And ang unit offerings natin for Tower 1 is 1 bedroom na lang, which is 30.36 square meters. And then last May, nilaunch po namin ang Tower 2, which is mas affordable. Yan. So yun po kasi yung mga hinahanap ng mga clients natin, no? Yung mas affordable. So meron po tayo for Tower 2 na studio unit and 2BR unit po. Ayan. So for Verida Towers, we are offering grand amenities. So we have the resort graded swimming pools, clubhouse, pavilion, playground, pet park, sitting area, tree park, jogging paths, quiet places, and active spots inside the development. So ito po yung aerial shot ng ating Verida Towers. So if magagaling po tayo sa Roman Superhighway, so dito po yan sa right side. Dito po ang building 1 natin sa right side. And then for Tower 2, dito po siya sa upper right. Ayan. right, so for our Tower 2 or for the Building 2, we are offering a 16 residential floors. This is a mid-rise building po with 22 units per floor. So this is a sample of the building floor. So for 2nd to 11th floor, eto po siya. So for the lower part, this is a amenity view. And then sa upper po is yung tree-line view po natin. And for the 12th to 16th floor, ito naman po yung sample layout natin, building layout. Yan. So for Tower 2, we are offering studio unit for as low as 8,846 monthly down payment. So for the total contract price, that's 4,355,000. So meron po tayong ina-offer na outright discount, which is 150,000. Deducted po yan sa total price. So ang magiging discounted price na lang po niya is 4,205,000 pesos. And for the reservation fee, that's 20,000. For the down payment, actually, ito po yung maganda for Verida Towers since we are offering two options for the down payment. First is the regular down payment, which is divided po yan into 48 months, which is 12,724 down payment. And then for option 2 or the pay light or the step-up financing, so we have for the first year, we are offering 8,846 monthly down payment. So if ever may mga questions po yung client natin, so paano po yung computation niya? So on the first year, 3% lang po ng down payment ang babayaran or yung 15% hinati po natin siya into 4. On the first year is 3%, which is 8,846. On the second year is 3.5%. On the third year is 4%, and on the fourth year is 4.5%. So normally, yung pay light or the step-up financing po ay ina-offer namin yan sa mga investors na gusto nilang mas magaan na down payment. For example, they have an existing loans or meron silang mga car loans or investment lang talaga ang hinahanap nila. Gusto nilang mababang down payment. So we can offer po the pay light or the step-up financing. Ayan. And ang maganda po sa down payment natin is zero interest. So kung pwede or kaya po nilang ibigay on a higher amount, minimum lang po yung mga nasa screen po natin. No? So kung if ever gusto nila na mas mataas po ang ibigay nila during down payment period, so pwede po yon. So that before po natin siya ma-endorse sa bank or bank financing, magre-recompute tayo. So maliban po sa 85%, pwede naman po maging 70%, 60%. So depende po sa mababayad nila during down payment period. Ayan. So ito po yung sample floor layout natin for studio unit. So this is a 23.76 square meters unit offering. And we also have 2-bedroom unit with 51.88 square meters. So this is the sample computation po for our 2-bedroom unit. So for the total contract price, that's 10,349,000. And then meron din po tayong outright discount of 150,000. So same lang din po ng down payment period or down payment financing option. So meron po tayong regular payment or the step-up financing. So actually itong computation po natin ay meron ng iba't ibang mga ito po sa right side. So para at least mabilis lang din po mababasa or mako-compute ng mga prospects or clients po natin. Ayan. For the unit specification, so actually ito po yung turnover natin for the Verida Towers. For the wall paint, semi-gloss latex paint. And for the tiles, that's 60 by 60 cm ceramic. For the doors, we have the panel door for the main, PVC door for the toilet and bath. For the windows, sliding window and awning window. And inclusions po niyan is the granite countertop, modular overhead, and base cabinet. So for the bathroom, we have the ceramic tiles, shower set with single faucet, and wall-mounted lavatories po. And like the other condos, so in Subic, smart features na din po tayo, no? So we can access the main door via 4 ways. So pwede po yan PIN code, pwede din pong fingerprint, pwede din po yung actual key or the card po. So smart card. Meron din po tayong smoke detector, blinker system, and yun po yung sinabi ko sa inyo na smart door lock set. Ayan. So as of now, for our buyers promo, we have the outright discount of 150,000. And meron din po tayong gift certificate. So actually, ito po yung maganda for Verida Towers since nag-offer kami ng mas malaking amount for the gift certificate, no? For example, nag-reserve or nag-book po yung mga clients natin of studio unit. During reservation po, ino-note na namin sa quotation sheet or sa reservation documents na makaka-avail sila ng 100,000 worth of gift certificate from All Home. Ayan. And for example naman po, 2BR ang napili ni client, so they will get a 150,000 worth of gift certificate from All Home naman. Ayan. So bakit nga po ba magandang investment si Verida Towers, no? So this is a good rental opportunity since if mabivisit nyo po ang Balanga City, Bataan, sobrang dalang ng mga hotels po dito sa Bataan. So yun po yung magandang opportunity natin if they can avail a unit po dito sa Verida since for example, meron pong mag-rent for 20 days at 3,000 to 4,000. So ito pong price range namin ay ito yung normal na hotel rates po dito sa Bataan, no? So that's 3,000 to 4,000 per night. So for example, ipaparent nila yan for 20 days. So that's 60,000 to 80,000 rental income versus the monthly amortization na 50 to 52,000. So magkakaroon pa rin sila ng kita na 10 to 20,000 per month. And for example naman po, 2-bedroom, so that's 6,000 to 8,500 per night. So 120,000 to 170,000 rental income versus the monthly amortization of 114,000 per month. Ayan. And good thing po for Verida Towers, for the rental options, we have two options. Option 1 is for leasing department. So at normally po ang mga question ng mga OFWs natin, paano ko ma-maintain ang unit ko lalo na wala ako sa Pilipinas? So yun po yung magandang opportunity natin dito since meron po tayong department in charge for finding and endorsing potential guests and for the unit maintenance. So sila na po bahala maghanap ng mga magre-rent sa unit po ni buyer. And for option 2, we have the self-managed. If nandito lang naman siya sa Bataan, so pwedeng siya na lang din po ang magme-maintain ng unit po niya. Ayan. So yan po yung maganda for Verida Towers. And so do you have any questions po or clarifications regarding our project in Verida? So far? Wala naman.
Maganda yung computation mo. Meron na conversion ng AAD.
Yes, sir. Actually, oo, sir. Kasi para minsan kasi nagko-convert pa. So at least pag nakita nila yung computation natin, alam na nila.
Pero ano yan? Base yan sa 15 pesos per dirhams?
Wait lang po.